3 Monkeys ThunderPro Bluetooth wireless neckband in-ear earphones with Mic35H Playtime, Unke Tech, low latency 50 Siemens, bass boosted 10 mm drivers, Type-C fast charge, BTV 5.2, dual pairing, IPX5 35 hours playtime with fast charge. 3 Monkeys ThunderPro offers a massive playback time of up to 3 HRS on a single full charge. Vismayadibodhak Chinna. Environment noise cancellation. This neckband has Unke technology that helps to capture your voice without background glitches and lets you be heard crystal clear over voice calls. 30 milliseconds ultra low latency. Enjoy lag-free gaming experience with best-in-class 50 milliseconds ultra low latency. It fully synchronizes the audio to the video so that you can quickly locate and react to any situation in competitive gaming. Activate the game mode by pressing the volume down button 2 times. Dual pairing. Attending a meeting on your laptop, but need to make a call on your phone. Simultaneously connect two devices on 3 Monkeys ThunderPro neckband Bluetooth headphones via Bluetooth 5.2 and effortlessly switch between the two. Ergonomic design. Lightweight, smooth, and ergonomically designed with premium real silicone for exceptional comfort day in day out. When you're not listening, the built-in magnets to effortlessly clip the earbuds together. IPX5 sweat-proof withstands light rains, dripping sweet 10 mm drivers. The unbeatable 3 Monkeys bass sound shines through no matter what are you playing, courtesy its 10 mm drivers. 1 year warranty from the date of purchase.